doing today? Going over another robot vacuum with self-empty bin for you. This is the Larisar Model L6 Pro robot vacuum with self-empty and clean base, and it does have a mop as well. So this looks very similar to quite a few robots you've seen on this channel, one perhaps recently. So here real quick is everything that comes inside the box, and then I will show you how well it cleans on carpet and hard floor as kind of like a baseline test just to see how good it is for starting out. And then I'll do a full floor plan test. And then I have a testing room downstairs that I will have it do a pickup test where I put down 5 ounces of debris. I run all my robots through this test, and I'm going to make a list 1 through however many, and we'll pick the overall winner. That way we can see which one has the best pickup ability. So let's see what you get. Of course, you get the user's manual, extra side brush, an extra air filter, an extra washable mopping pad. Here is the mopping attachment, and this is force fed, so you have a tank in the back, and I'll show you that in a second. And there's an electronic pump that will fill this with water, doing a much better job than the older mops that were just gravity fed. Now these mop designs don't do the greatest job mopping. It's more for light duty. It'll help pick up some dust and stuff, but it definitely won't get up any type of stains or anything like that. This is a nice bonus with this one. It has a dirt bag in the bin, and then you get 4 extra. So you get 5 dirt bags total, which is always appreciated. This will last you a very long time. You also get some white dust moppers. These are dry mops, and they'll just kind of pick up the dust throughout the house. And of course you got the robot vacuum itself. Good looking robot. I like the black, and I like the blue ring they put around. I think it's good looking. Let's see if this LiDAR dome clicks. It does, which is a nice feature. This will not get stuck underneath your couch or underneath like a bed frame or anything with a low height. The self-empty bin here, good looking black bin, does have an LCD screen that'll tell you when it's charging, and I believe as well as tell you when the bag is full. Moving on to the dirt bin. This is a combo unit. So you put the mopping water in here, and then this is what holds all your dirt, and this is what it's going to suck through for the self-empty bin part. It does have a mesh screen for the filter, which makes the filter last a lot longer, and it makes it much easier for you to clean. And that is basically what you get in the box. Like I said, I'm going to be putting, in this video, I'm going to show you cleaning on a thick carpet as well as hard floor, see how well it does as a base test. Then I have a bunch of other tests and reviews on this robot. Please do me a favor, like this video and subscribe, it helps me out a lot. Let me know if there's anything specific you'd like to see on this robot. I have around 50 robot vacuums right now, so if you want to see anything on any of my other ones, please go back, check my prior videos, and there's pretty much every robot vacuum you can imagine on this channel. So I'm going to get this charged up, and I will make a little mess for it to clean up, and I'll show you how well this guy cleans. So let me go and show you the mess that I made. Just a little bit of Fruity Pebbles. Once again, I use Fruity Pebbles just because of the bright colors. Comes up on camera much easier than most other debris. So a little bit on the carpet, nothing too crazy. And then the hard floor, basically the same test. If you follow this channel, I did with the previous robot. And we'll see if it does just as good of a job or if there's something lacking on this one. So this one does have a single side brush, which in my opinion on a hard floor does a better job, because there's not 2 brushes spinning, flicking stuff out of its way and into the path that it already cleaned. So we should be able to see that during this test. And then we'll compare it to the one I just recorded yesterday, and I'll tell you which one is better. I have a feeling they're going to be very, very similar on this test, but you never know. That's why we do these tests. All right, I got it on its maximum suction. This is the first time it's ever ran. Once it's done, we'll see how well it cleaned. We'll come back, look at the dirt bin, check out the self-empty bin, and then we'll get a final verdict on this first quick test. So I'm going to send it on out. Suction is on max. And this is basically the same exact app as the one I just previously recorded. I will say right off the bat, they were both on maximum suction. This one seems quite a bit louder, which is weird. Because a lot of these robots look the same, but they could use internal parts that are different to either make it a cheaper build, or some companies will actually use better parts to make it a better build. And I think soon in a video, I'm going to take a few of these similar looking robots and take them apart a little bit and see if they use the same parts. Which is not necessarily a bad thing, because these robots do a really good job cleaning. So I'm going to set this up, speed it up for you guys so you can see exactly how it cleans. When we come back, we'll take a look at it. All right, guys, the L6 Pro is done. Let's take a look at how well it did. Onto the thick carpet. Once again, looks really good. I just see one little fruity pebble, not a big deal. It'll get it on its next pickup run. Yeah, that's all I see on the carpet, so very good job on the carpet. And then once again, on the hard floor, I'd say a very good job as well. Look at the baseboard, guys. Now remember, if you watch my videos all the time, I just did the Shark Easy review. Remember how much stuff it leaves on the baseboards with that single side brush design? Look at the difference between these robots and the Shark. So Shark really needs to redesign their single brush. I don't even know why they do that, but anyways, back onto this robot. Just another plus for this robot, that the baseboards look really good and clean. The middle looks really good. It left only a few fruity pebbles for that whole test, so I'd say it did a very, very good job. So what do you guys think about this robot vacuum? I like the black, and then I love the blue ring they put around the entire thing. I think it's a nice look to it. I'll put a link down in the description if you guys are interested in this. Once again, there's a lot of models that look just like this. There's only a few though that have the little screen on the front there that shows the battery indicator, and then it shows just a little bit about the dust collection. Let me know in the comments if you guys would be interested in this robot or if you have one like it already. I'm actually kind of curious, if you guys own a robot vacuum at all, put down in the comments which model and brand you have. If you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe. It really does help me out. And if you want to see anything specific on this robot or my 50 other robot vacuums, let me know down in the comments as well. And that's about it. You guys have a fantastic holiday season, and I'll see you guys in the next video.